Top English Hub presents Lily and Her Talking Teddy Bear. Please subscribe our channel. Once upon a time, in a small house near a big forest, there was a little girl named Lily. Lily had a teddy bear named Mr. Cuddles, and Mr. Cuddles could talk. One sunny morning, Lily and Mr. Cuddles decided to have an adventure in the forest. They packed a picnic with yummy sandwiches, apples, and juice. Then, they set off on their adventure, feeling excited. While they were walking in the forest, they met a squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was a friendly squirrel and told them about a treasure hidden deep in the woods. Lily, Mr. Cuddles, and Sammy decided to find the treasure together. They walked through a field with pretty flowers and met a nice butterfly named Bella. Bella said she could help them find the treasure if they gave her some flower nectar. Lily agreed happily. As they went on, they came to a sparkling stream with talking fish. The fish gave them clues about where to find the treasure, and Lily remembered the clues. They walked through a magical mushroom place with glowing mushrooms and found a secret door at the base of a big tree. Sammy helped them open the door, and inside, they found shiny gems and old books. Lily, Mr. Cuddles, Sammy, and Bella decided to share the treasure with all their animal friends in the forest. They wanted everyone to be happy. When they went back home, they knew they had made lots of new friends and had amazing adventures. They often had picnics and told stories. The big forest became a magical place where a little girl, her talking teddy bear, and their new animal friends had lots of fun and brought happiness to everyone. Question 1. What is the name of Lily's teddy bear? A. Mr. Cuddles. B. Mr. Fluffy. C. Teddy. D. Brownie. The answer is A. Mr. Cuddles. Question 2. What did Sammy the squirrel tell Lily and Mr. Cuddles about? A. A party in the forest. B. A funny story. C. A hidden treasure. D. A new friend. Correct answer, C. A hidden treasure. Question 3. Who helped Lily, Mr. Cuddles, and Sammy find the treasure? A. A bird. B. A bee. C. A butterfly. D. A fish. Correct answer, C. A butterfly.